This is the purple list. Number 1 is kindest. It would be great if your classmates knew you were the kindest person that they knew. Number 2 is emptiest. I will carry the emptiest bucket because it will weigh the least. Number 3 is cleaner. I hope that Mr. Charlie says our room is cleaner than most classrooms. Number 4 is quieter. It's quieter in the hall after school lets out. Number 5 is harshest. The harshest weather we've received lately just is with rain, not with snow and ice. Number 6 is shinier. You can make your car shinier by adding a layer of wax to it. Number 7 is fancier. I need a fancier dress for the wedding than what I wear to school. Number 8 is prettiest. I chose the prettiest headband and wore it to the party. Number 9 is fuller. This pitcher of lemonade is fuller than that pitcher of lemonade. Number 10 is fullest. I used the fullest pitcher of lemonade to sell lemonade at the lemonade stand.